Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with power tongue jack, stabilizer jacks, flip-down travel rack, outside shower, outside storage, spare tire, outside speakers, backup camera ready, double-step entry, LED exterior lighting, bathroom tub shower combo, mini blinds, walk-around queen bed, bathroom toilet, stainless sink, overhead kitchen storage, pull-out spray faucet, front bedroom, oven, rear bath, entry grab handle, overhead storage, TV mounting bracket, dual bedroom nightstands, bathroom cabinet with mirror, USB charging station, high-rise faucet, fire extinguisher, mirrored wardrobe doors. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with the boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.